here at the first Hortan's exhibition, and they previewed a exclusive Volkswagen Arteon. Let's have a look. Yep. Sleek headlights, tail lights, black protruding spoiler. There's some sights, lights as well. Keyless on all four. Pretty thick glass. Now there's an ambient light and some carbon fiber like trim. Spacious. Fastback boot opening, lot of space. Here's the front. It gets a new Volkswagen multimedia display and active info. Pretty standard.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you guys. Come on by to the Volkswagen exhibition happening right here at Pace, and of course with the test drive event happening right here, all you have to do is get yourself a sales pass. Now proceed to any one of them for more info and register yourself. Absolutely free and gifts to be acquired once you try out any of the cars that are on the screen.
Let's look at the cockpit.
Of course, if you're planning to test out the Passat, Tiguan, the Golf lines that we have over here, the Golf R, the Golf GTI, or even the Golf R line, including the Beetle as well, not forgetting it, of course, this is your chance to do so with more than 30 pre-registered cars that are here. You can make the booking today, and due to the fact that we have excluded SST, and this is indeed the tax holiday. The price comparison can easily be made via the page that we actually placed, and if you want to take a look at it and the amount of savings that you'll be able to score, this is nice, great, and great opportunity for you to do so. So come on by, ladies and gentlemen, and also meet up with Buckle, our mascot, making a short time appearance right here, passing balloons out so you can with your children to come by and have some fun with us.